Accurate folded diameter sizing is a vital requirement in non-bone tendon preparation. In our effort to establish the most repeatable, accurate sizing protocol within the tissue processing industry, the Center for Tissue Innovation and Research gathered extensive feedback from surgeons and other key operating room experts. 3 key issues were identified that could affect graft sizing accuracy: time sized, force used, and excess fluid. The number of times a graft was sized varied widely. Grafts were observed being sized as little as 2 times and up to 6 times or more before being implanted. There currently are no set surgical guidelines for how much force is necessary to properly size a graft. Some surgeons are satisfied with minimum resistance, while others require heavy resistance. Tissue processors and operating rooms keep grafts hydrated by submerging them in a room temperature solution. The resultant swelling is often not accounted for, resulting in the labeling of grafts as larger than their actual size. Based on this research, the Center for Tissue Innovation and Research has implemented one of the most robust sizing protocols within the tissue processing industry. The new protocol requires the pulling of each non-bone tendon graft through a validated sizing block 3 times. If it can be pulled through with little to no resistance, the graft is moved down to the next smaller size and pulled through the block 3 additional times. This process is continued until the graft cannot be pulled through or extreme force is needed. At that point, the next largest size becomes the official size of the graft for that measurement label. Throughout this new protocol, liquid secretion is monitored and plays a key role in the selection of the measurement. This chart illustrates grafts that were ready for release 1 week in November of 2011 before the new protocol was enacted. The average measured diameter was 9.3 millimeters. After implementation of our new robust sizing protocol in December 2011, the sizing measurement changed dramatically, with the average diameter shifting from 9.3 millimeters to 8.5 millimeters. For surgeons, this means they no longer have to request larger diameters than they need in order to account for possible graft sizing errors. They can now order precisely what they need, knowing that they'll receive what they asked for every time. It's part of our commitment at the Center for Tissue Innovation and Research to provide what our surgeons need without compromise.